Welcome to Ian's joint mobility routine. This practice, I start with my head and neck. I maintain core body tension and slide left and right at my neck, pushing an ear from side to side. I repeat, pushing my face forward and pulling my chin in. Face forward, pull chin in for 3 repetitions each. I then draw a circle around the front and the back, returning to center. Repeat in the alternate direction. Slide left, pull around, draw a circle 360 degrees, and return to center. Shoulder blade control is important to any strength or bar practice. Maintain your shoulder blades and take your arms from first to the front to overhead, open to the side or second, and return low. Switch the directions for variation. Maintain shoulder blades pulling down and scapular stability. Breathe. Challenge your base. I'm in my second position here. Feel free to add variations to the legs. Biceps and triceps curls. Flex the elbow, turn the palm, extend the arm. Flex the elbow, turn the palms, press down. Look for tension, create support and strength on both sides of the joint. Extend the elbow with tension. Assume a W position, hands together, and wrist rolls. Switch your directions, and also change the position of your hands. Place them out front, connect, wrist circles, alternate your direction, mobilize the small parts of your body. And sometimes, even when you can't see. Stick to the basics and add some fun variation. Hands on hips, feet wide, and T-spine slide. Shoulders left and right. Maintain a strong low back and manipulate the T-spine laterally at first, and then front and back. Flex and extend. Find the center and draw the circle around the hips. Hollowing out, touching corners or edges of a circle, and alternate your direction. To the front, across the other side, pulling on the abdominals, sliding across, and resetting in center. Shake it out, because it feels good. We're onto the hips, and here I do the external rotation in the hip, followed by an internal rotation. Do the same in the side or second position, internal and external rotation. Extend the hip, reach to the back, same thing, internal and external rotation. Hips forward, always. Repeat in a circle on the floor, connecting the dots. Articulate over the toes in the back. Maintain your core strength. Repeat in the alternate or reverse direction, back, side, front, close, underneath. Repeat off the floor. Maintain tension through the leg, stability through the hip, and control as you reach the leg in a circle. Tuck underneath the hip, extend the leg to the back, press off the floor, reach, level hips, pointed toes, cramping up tension, remembering to breathe, and remembering we have 2 legs. Same thing on the other side. This time we'll look at it from the back. Press forward, internal and external rotations in the hips. Notice my hips are level. The movement is happening in the hip versus a hip hike. Extend to the back, find straight back. I could be a little bit more center here as we pull underneath the hip. Repeat, connecting those dots, external rotations in the hips, turning the circle, internally rotating on the hip, and flexing over the toes underneath. It's important to go both directions now as we extend the hip to the back, reaching, stabilizing with the plant leg, reaching with strength through the movement leg, and reset underneath. Progress your skills to do the same movement off the floor. My hip just lost a little bit there, so be careful not to lose the hip. And then we'll tap down and tuck under and take a second to reset. Tall on the supported leg, cramp up tension with the hip, extend to the back, maintain hips level, send energy through those toes, reach around, tall as always, point, and close. We'll pull the foot off the floor to our coup de pied position and extend through the knee and pull underneath. Repeat pulling off the floor to a reteire or the knee position and extend the knee. Tap a floor and down. Trying to maintain the height or amplitude of the knee as you extend. Hold for time and tension, tap with control, and pull underneath. Same thing on the other side. Tall in the supporting leg, keep the knee in the same position as we extend and pull. Flex, pull to the knee, maintain the knee in the same position, tap, pull, repeat. Slightly higher is allowed, maintaining the hips level. Maintain the stability in the hip, the mobility in the knee, and energy out those toes. Tap and pull. Finish today's practice with our foot articulations, pressing up and down through the toes. Dorsiflex the ankle, repeat. Demi or ball of foot, point, flex, point, ball of foot, crush a heel. Dorsiflex or lift the foot. Demi, point, flex, demi, crush down from the hips. Alternate the side, using the full foot articulation for strength and mobility to help with the balance and squats. Press through the ball of the foot, keep the foot tracking the middle as you flex your toes to a point, to a ball, to a heel. Pull the foot into dorsiflexion. Demi, point, fold, or flex toes, point, ball of the foot, heavy to the ground. You can challenge these positions from the parallel and into first. Keep pressing those middle ankle bones forward. Extend from the hips. Let those flashlights face forward all the time. Have fun with your feet. Let them be loose. Stay strong.